Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sharday, but most people call me Shardazy. I am wearing an outfit from my website. I own a women's boutique. It is shardazy.com. So if you're interested, make sure you click the link below. But as you can see by the title of this video, today I will be showing you guys just all the handbags I have. I'm really not, I don't know. I feel like I'm not really a bag person. Like I need like different colors and then I'll be good. Basically like a color for every potential outfit and I'll be good. So there's only a few handbags I want still, and I will tell you guys about that. So I want a Palm Springs mini, which is Louis Vuitton. I'll show you guys what it looks like probably, and then I will show you guys the tote bag I have, and I'm considering giving this to my friend because she loves it. And I kind of want to get a either a bigger Telfar or a Neverfull. But the only thing about Neverfull is I'm like, dang, everybody has a Neverfull, so I don't know if I'll end up getting one or not. But so let's get right into this video. My first bag we're gonna go over is my Zara bag. Everyone always asks me about this. This is from Zara. It's very orange. My coworker actually bought this and she didn't like it. And at work, when I used to work, it would be like, oh, I bought this, I didn't like it, do you want it, or do you want to buy it? And we did that a lot with a lot of things. So I ended up buying this from her. It's just a square. It's the perfect pop of color. It's crossbody. I don't wear this as much in the winter or fall, but I definitely wear this a lot in the summer and spring. My next bag is my Rebecca Minkoff. I love Rebecca Minkoff, actually. I thought I have more. Well, I have 3 Rebecca Minkoff bags, but this is a little Fanny Pack. I've had this since 2015, so I really love this. I don't wear it as much as I used to. Super white. Again, in spring and summer, it's perfect. And we go hiking, so I usually take this, even though you're probably like, this is too nice to be hiking, but I take this hiking because I can throw everything in it and it'll be good. So love this Rebecca Minkoff. Next bag, people ask me about this. I don't know where the strap is for it, because the strap is like red and navy stripe, but like thick, so it goes across, and people always think this is like a Gucci bag, but it's not. It's just from Target. So it's just a little bag. I don't use this as much as I used to, but again, spring, summer, I love nice pops of color, especially because like an outfit like this, it's such a nice contrast that I would easily throw this on or we use this. So I love this bag. This is from Target. My next bag is Rebecca Minkoff, definitely giving me Saint Laurent vibes. Love this. I love that it has that situation going on. This is really one of my favorite bags. It has like a little back pocket there. This just opens. It has 3 compartments. The middle zips, and then it has a zipper back there too. So I love this bag. It's nice when I want to feel like a little bit more dressed up. I definitely grab this, and I just like it. I like that. I don't know. I just love this bag. Like, definitely reminds me of Saint Laurent. I wouldn't, because I have this, I wouldn't get a Saint Laurent, but I do really, I can say this 1,000 times. I love this bag. This is like, I'll keep this forever. So that's my Rebecca Minkoff part 2. My next bag is from Zara. I love this bag. I saw Nicole Lionel, I think that's how you say her last name. She also has a boutique, and I saw her with this, and I'm just like thinking like, please don't be Saint Laurent, because I'm not about to spend Saint Laurent money on this kind of bag. But it ended up being from Zara, and I love this bag. It feels like a pillow. Like I could lay on this bag. But so it opens with a clasp. You just press the sides and it opens, and the inside is just really open besides the pocket. It is kind of hard if you're not organized like me because stuff kind of gets lost, and then it is like a big pillow, so it's just caving in. But aesthetically, I love this bag. It is so cute. This is definitely something I will also wear with pretty much anything, honestly. So I love this bag. This chain, at first I wish that it was adjustable, but now I like it how it is. So love this one. My next bag is, well, I have bags inside of this bag. So my next bag is this, it's a Kate Spade wallet on a chain. Let me make sure it's like pretty pink, and it's exactly what I said. It's just a wallet on a chain. I've had this for a while. I love this again for when I am, you know, dressed up, going somewhere, and I don't want to have a big bag, and everything is just right there. Like, it's super accessible. So I love this. I was thinking about getting a Saint Laurent, kind of like a wallet on a chain, but I'm like, I don't know. But I might get a Saint Laurent one, but I don't know. So I guess I'll go to this. This is another Rebecca Minkoff. I love this because it's collapsible on the sides. It's kind of like I think this is nylon, and it's really spacious. Like, there's just so much space. There's a back pocket. There's pockets on the inside. It's a lot of space. I use this sometimes when I'm traveling, so I can throw everything in it, and the zips close, which is really nice. Another thing though, things do get lost at the bottom. Like right now I just have like a lot of sunglasses and stuff that just have made their way to the bottom of this. So things do get lost, but I do love it for traveling. I can fit a lot of clothes in here, surprisingly. So next we are going to go to my Givenchy. This is my favorite bag. I use this all the time. I love this bag. I've had it for not even a year yet, but I definitely love this bag. I definitely love this bag. It has straps. My strap is over there. Today I carried it just with my arm, so it can go like right there. I think it's the perfect size. Someone was like, you spent that much money on this bag and it's so small, but I'm like, I can fit so much stuff in here. Like, I can fit my phone, which I don't know where that is, but I have an iPhone. Oh, here it is. I have an iPhone 11, like that fits in there. I have sunglasses. I've been using this small little wallet thing, so I have that. Have mask. I have so much stuff in here, it seems like. So love this. It only has one zipper compartment, and then there's two like slots on the other side, but other than that it's open. But I love this. This was a dream of mine to get, so the fact that I have it, I'm super excited about. And I really can't say much more. I will say, at first I was like, dang, I wish I would have got the pebbled leather, because I wouldn't say I'm rough with handbags, but I'm not gonna baby it. So sometimes I'll run into something or hit it and I'm like, but it's held up very well. And I use this literally all the time. Like, I don't necessarily use it daily because it depends on what I'm doing, but I would say I use this like in a month span. I probably use this like 22 days out of the 30 or 31 days. So I use this a lot. So I really love this. I did hear people complaining about like putting their arm in, like how the zipper was annoying, but I don't find any issues with that. Even the clasp, like I thought it would be super annoying. So you have to like line the clasp up perfectly for it to connect, and people always say that they're split off, but I don't have that issue. So love this bag. This is my favorite bag ever. So that is my Givenchy. And then next I have my Telfar, and I got that in, I think this is called tan. Love it. Let's start there. It's a great color. Like, when I was getting it, I'm like, dang, I don't know if I want cream or tan or black or what, but this is the perfect color. I didn't have a bag this color, which is why I ended up going with it. But it's really small, as you can see. My phone, which is over here, I have an iPhone 11. It does fit in here, and then I can fit my little card case and maybe a chapstick or something. So this is the bag I take when I'm like running to the post office, or I don't know, when I'm not trying to have a bunch of stuff. So I love this. It's crossbody. One day I wore it and I did stuff these inside of there. So love this bag. I definitely want a bigger size. I just don't know what exactly I want, but love my Telfar. And last but not least, y'all, this is the bag that I love that I might give to my friend, because it's funny, she texted me about it the other day and she's like, I love that bag still. And I'm like, me too. And I've had this probably for like 2 years. It is my Stella McCartney, don't know what it's called, but when I was working as a personal shopper, I had my eye on it. And it is such a beautiful blue. Like, this is so pretty. And it just says Stella McCartney, and it comes with a little envelope thing that closes. But I use this bag. I can fit my laptop in it. I can fit my whole life in this bag. I love it. And it's the most perfect blue. I don't think I've ever seen a blue this beautiful. So I love this bag so much. Only reason why I'm considering getting a Neverfull is because that bag, like, I've never had a Neverfull, so I don't know, but they seem a little bit more structured. That bag, if I have too much stuff in it, it kind of like gets bulky and awkward, and I'm like constantly trying to rearrange stuff. So I have to see what a Neverfull feels like. But I love how different they are. Like, in my bag collection, I don't necessarily want bags that everybody has. I don't know why I'm this way, but it's like everybody has a Neverfull, and that kind of makes me not want it. But I do think that they are useful. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Maybe at the end of the year I'll do an updated one, because I know I'm getting this Palm Spring mini for my birthday. I know I am. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you check out my website. Again, it is down in the description box. It is shardaisy.com, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.